Ano ang mas mahalaga? To follow Jesus or the treasures on earth? In today's gospel, we hear of a young man who walked away from his desire to follow Jesus because he could not let go of his treasures. He allowed himself to be possessed by his love for wealth that he missed to experience the real meaning of life. Nasa harapan na niya si Jesus na kayang ibigay sa kanya ang true joy and the experience of the real meaning and purpose of life. Pero dahil hirap siyang i-let go ang kanyang yaman, power and influence, he experienced the false meaning of life, resulting to deep sadness within him. Aanhin mo ang yaman sa mundo kung malungkot ka naman at walang kapayapaan sa kalooban mo. Ano ang maitutulong ng yaman sa mundo kung hindi ka naman dadalhin ito sa kaharian ng Diyos? Mga ka-G, ang hamon ni Jesus, let go of your material things. Go and sell what you have and use it to feed the hungry, clothe the naked, and help the poor, and finally, to follow Jesus. Sigurado akong magiging masaya ka. G ka ba?